So if you want to fix your ASUS TUF Dash F15 here, if you have like power issues or your power button is fading here, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So first things first is you want to make sure it's really the power button. So you want to plug the charger in and watch for charging lights or keyboard backlight. Now if the lights turn on but the laptop won't power up, the button or its connection is likely the issue here, not the battery. So next thing that you want to do is you want to do a full power drain. Now unplug the charger and hold the power button for about like 30 seconds. Now this clears static power and embed control glitches or controller glitches here that can make the button unresponsive. After that, plug the charger back in and try again. Now next is you may want to try powering on with the lid closed. On some Tough Dash F15 units, the power button circuit responds differently with the lid closed. So close the lid fully, press the power button once, and open it after a few seconds. Sounds odd, but it works more often than you'd expect. And also, you may want to test with an external keyboard if possible. So connect a USB keyboard and try pressing Control Escape or Enter after plugging in power. And now, if the laptop turns on, the internal power button board is likely fading. Now, also, you may want to plug in the charger and watch closely here. If the laptop powers on without pressing the button, that confirms a faulty power button or ribbon cable here. Now, if the laptop powers on intermittently, enter BIOS mode and look for power on AC. Wake on power or similar options. So enabling this lets the power button to turn on automatically when plugged in. Now, a common workaround. Now, if nothing works here, the power button board likely needs replacement. So on the TUF or Tough Dash F15, the power button is part of the small daughter board or ribbon cable. Now, if it's physically worn or disconnected, replace it with replacement is the permanent fix that you can do. So best handled by a repair technician. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.